Welcome to MyAmes Week 10. In Week 10, you will learn about time words, learn about the months, Samia, months, weekly activities. Listen, read, mark and type about Samia. Write about your month. Click and listen.
Today.
Turn, repeat. Today. Go to the next one. Click and listen again.
Yesterday.
And repeat. Yesterday. Yesterday. Move on. Listen. Then type. Today. Today. Check. Move on to the next one. Keep going. All the way along. All the way. Click the star at the end. Next one. Months. Learn words. Click. Listen.
January.
Turn. Repeat. January. This is the short form. This is the long way. Next one.
February.
February. Turn. February or Feb. Keep going. Then we match, drag, drop. Short form, long form. Don't forget to check. Short form, long form. Long form, short form. Write the short form. Capital J-A-N, short form. Again, keep going through. Then listen. Listen and type.
January.
So we type here, January. Here it is over here. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. Don't forget to check and click the star at the end. Months of the year continue.
July.
July. Turn and repeat. July. Continue on. Drag and drop. August, August, July. Oh, July. Write the short form. July. Capital J-U-L. Don't forget to check. Keep going through. Then the last one is the listening.
October.
October. Capital O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. Don't forget when you finish to check, and then at the end to click the star. Samir's months.
Born.
Term. Born. Next.
Australia.
Australia. Go through. Listen and type.
Born.
Type here. Don't forget to check. All the way through. And a star at the end. Samir month. Listen.
Samir. Month.
Go through and listen all the story. Read again. This story is about Samir's week or Samir's months. And check. Listen and read. Listen to the story while you read along and listening. Click on the words, my name is Samir. Name, Samir. Click and check. Go all the way through. All the way through. Excellent. Don't forget the star at the end after you've checked everything. Listen and read.
Samir. Months.
Then we have to put it in order. Listen.
My name is Samir.
My, click and drag. Name, click and drag. Is Samir. And check. The way through. Each one's a little different, which is good. All the way through. And remember to click at the end. Listen and read. Listen again. I am Samir. I go to school on So we type this in here. Great, we read all the way through. Don't forget to check. And we click the star at the end. Write about your week. Answer. Write about your week. Write your name. My name is Nikki, or whatever your name is. MyAmes computers. I log in MyAmes on, we write I log in MyAmes on, and you write which days you log on. Clean the house. I clean the house on, you type I clean the house on which day. Shopping. I go shopping on, I go shopping on, you write which day. Then you save and submit your questionnaire. Excellent, excellent, excellent.